If your daily dinner routine is getting a bit too routine, then I have a pretty good feeling you're going to love what we're whipping up today. It's a quick throw together that starts with plum cheese ravioli and ends up with rave reviews. We start by cooking a package of frozen cheese ravioli according to the package directions. While this drains, we combine some Italian breadcrumbs with a few of our spice rack favorites. In another bowl, we beat an egg with a little milk. Now we dip our cooked ravioli into the egg and then into the breadcrumb mixture. Once they're coated, we fry them in a bit of vegetable oil until both sides are golden. And rather than serving these with a red sauce like normal, we'll toss them with some fresh spinach, along with some cherry tomatoes and a homemade sweet and sour walnut dressing. Does this ever look good or what? With each bite, you get the crunch and the cheesiness from the ravioli, the freshness from the salad, and the tang of the dressing. If you want to get out of your boring dinner routine, just look for Toasted Ravioli Dinner on our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a change of pace kind of way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.